Welcome back to the Beavercraft channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we're taking a close look at the S18X Deluxe wood carving set, a complete carving kit designed not just to look good, but to perform at a very high level. In this video, we'll break down everything that's included in the set, explain what each tool is designed for, show the types of cuts and projects you can use them for, and share practical tips on tool care and maintenance. This set comes from our premium collection and includes 8 carefully selected carving tools plus essential accessories. It's called Deluxe for a reason. The choice of materials and the attention to detail clearly set it apart from standard carving sets. Let's start with the presentation. The tools come in a durable leather roll-up case made from smooth, natural cowhide leather, finished in a warm brown tone that ages beautifully over time. Each knife has its own slot, keeping the blades separated and protected. It's practical, travel-friendly, and perfect for keeping your carving tools organized whether you're at the workbench or on the go. Now let's talk about tool materials, starting with the handles because that's what you feel every second you're carving. All handles in this set are made from beautiful walnut wood, chosen for its strength, stability, and refined appearance. Walnut provides a premium feel, a balanced weight, and excellent grip without being harsh on the hand. The handles are carefully shaped to be ergonomic, warm in the hand, and naturally resistant to fatigue during long carving sessions. All knives in this set are made from 1066 high-carbon steel and heat-treated to a hardness of 57 to 59 HRC. This type of steel is well known in wood carving for its ability to take a very sharp edge and keep it through long carving sessions. It also responds extremely well to stropping, which makes maintenance simple and efficient. This is the C4M Big Sloyd Whittling knife, the main workhorse of the set. It features a straight spine with a curved cutting edge, making it extremely versatile. This knife is ideal for removing large amounts of wood, roughing out figures and spoons, making smooth, controlled cuts. The longer, narrow blade gives you excellent reach and leverage without sacrificing precision. The C3 Small Sloyd knife follows the same blade geometry as the C4M with a Scandi grind and 20-degree edge, but in a shorter, more compact form. This makes it easier to control when working close to details or on smaller projects. It's especially useful when you need accuracy but still want the cutting efficiency of a Sloyd-style blade. Next is the C16 Big Roughing Knife, a medium-sized carving knife built for efficient material removal. Its curved spine and straight cutting edge create a powerful cutting action, especially during push cuts. Like the Sloyd knives, it features a Scandi grind with a 20-degree bevel, allowing the bevel itself to guide the cut. This makes the knife predictable, stable, and very effective for shaping during the early stages of a carving. The C6 chip carving knife has a short blade designed for maximum precision. The Scandi grind and 20-degree bevel allow for clean entry and exit cuts, which is essential in chip carving. This knife excels at geometric patterns, shallow decorative cuts, controlled V-shaped incisions. The short blade minimizes flex and gives excellent feedback from the wood. The C12 chip carving knife is more specialized. Its blade features a 45-degree secondary bevel, which changes how the knife interacts with the wood. This geometry is ideal for deeper chip carving cuts, producing crisp walls and sharp intersections. It allows the knife to dive into the wood cleanly and exit without tearing fibers, even in harder woods. The C15 detail carving knife is all about fine work. It combines a narrow blade with a curved spine and clipped tip, making it perfect for tight spaces. With its Scandi grind and 20-degree edge, it offers excellent edge control for fine lines, facial features, final surface cleanup. It's the knife you reach for at the final stage of a project. The SK5 spoon carving hook knife is a specialized hollowing tool. It features a deeply curved blade with a chisel grind, optimized for cutting on the inside of spoons. The double bevel makes it suitable for both right and left-handed carvers and allows efficient material removal while maintaining control along curved surfaces. The blade geometry provides a smooth, predictable cut inside concave forms. The K8-14 compact short bent gouge, often referred to as a spoon gouge, is designed for controlled power. It also features a chisel grind, which allows the cutting edge to stay stable while removing wood efficiently. This tool is especially useful when you need to remove material quickly from deeper cavities without losing accuracy. For example, when carving larger spoons, kuksas, and small bowls. As we mentioned earlier, all blades in this set are sharpened to a 20-degree bevel angle, which strikes a balance between sharpness and durability. But to keep the tools performing at their best over time, the set includes a two-sided leather strop and a 3000 grit polishing compound. These are essential for maintaining that edge. The suede side, used with polishing compound, is intended for regular stropping and light edge restoration, while the smooth leather side is used for final polishing and edge refinement. With 1066 high-carbon steel, regular stropping keeps the blades super sharp without frequent resharpening. The S18X Deluxe wood carving set isn't just a collection of tools. It's a complete carving system built around proper steel, proven blade geometry, and ergonomic design. From aggressive, rough shaping to fine detail work, from chip carving to spoon carving, everything you need is right here. Every tool in this set has a clear purpose and performs exactly as it should. If you want tools that teach you good carving technique while delivering professional results, this set is an excellent choice. This is a high-quality set that grows with your skills.